Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Creating an NCOPE account is quick and easy. Let me show you how. Step 1. Visit our website, ncope.org. Step 2. Let's go ahead and visit our login page. The login page is currently located at the bottom of the page. It's conspicuously called Login. Click here. Now if you're thinking, Chris, I don't have an account yet. Well, I'm not ready to log in. That's okay. All you need to do is visit, do you need an account? And choose the user type that pertains to you the most. If you teach at an O&P school, like an assistant program, technician program, practitioner school, or pet orthic school, click here. If you're involved in a residency program and you're the director or mentor, click here. And if you're actually a real resident learning to become a full-blown certified practitioner enrolled in an NCOPE accredited residency program, click here. You'll find that the forms all look pretty similar. Let's go ahead and click the O&P Educator account. When you click here, it's going to ask you for a username. You can pick whatever you'd like, as long as it's alphanumeric. Try to avoid special symbols like emojis and whatnot. First name, last name, and there's a field called Biographical Info, and it says, please enter the academic institution where you're a faculty member. So you want to make sure that you actually identify where you are a faculty member here. If you don't do that, we may reject your account. That's right. We actually won't know if we can trust that it's really you. So please make sure you let us know where you actually work so we can double check that. Once you enter all the other required fields, username, first name, last name, email address, password, enter your password twice. And also keep in mind, simple passwords like 123 are very weak. It's going to insist that you create a password that is a little bit better than weak in nature. Also, feel free to click send these credentials via email, and it'll actually send you the information that you've requested. On that note, once you make your account, you can't quite get in yet, folks. That's right. We actually have to have an administrative approval, but it'll be quick and easy. Why? Because hopefully you've used your institutional email. For example, the Spokane Falls Community College.edu email address or hanger.com email address if you're a Hanger employee. And under Biographical Info, you told us where you work. That way we can verify much more quickly and easily. Once you enter all that information and hit the register button, well, then it's just up to the NCOPE staff to approve your account, which we normally do in about 1 business day. It's usually pretty quick. Hope you found this helpful. This is Chris, signing out.